So you are sitting here in your favorite chair drinking a cup of coffee right now, and you're probably thinking about how you can get more caffeine in your life. And that's a good thing. Caffeine is great for you and there's no reason not to add it to your routine. But let's be honest, we have all been there. You are at a friend's house and they pour their delicious coffee from the French press into a mug with a lid on it. You watch them drink it and wonder if their cream color teeth are going to fall out of their head by the time they finish their cup. Or do you ever wake up in the morning and feel like you just can't function until you have had your morning cup of coffee? You are not alone. Coffee has become a staple in many people's daily routines. But have you ever wondered about the history and the evolution of this beloved beverage? Today we are going to take a journey through time to explore the origins of coffee, its spread across the world, and its impact on various cultures and societies, as well as major milestones in the coffee industry and the current state of the coffee industry. Hey guys, welcome to Logical Bandar. This channel is all about the untold stories behind everything you see, from the history of a city to the origins of a specific animal species to how we ended up with that one song you heard on the radio. We will tell you what happened and why it matters. Let's start at the beginning. Where did coffee come from? The most common version of the story is that the coffee was discovered by chance. Well, maybe not by chance. It's said that the coffee was actually invented by Ethiopian farmers who noticed how their goats liked to nibble on the wild herbs growing near the streams where they would gather water. These herbs had a bitter taste, but when they mixed them with some roasted grains, they found out that the coffee beans tasted sweet and delicious. So they decided to roast their own beans and sell them as a trade commodity. And where did this little trade go? Well, it spread quickly as soon as the word got out about how good coffee could be. People are willing to pay for it, and soon enough there were more coffee shops than ever before. But why do we love coffee so much? What makes it so special anyway? Well, first of all, it helps us wake up in the morning before our alarm goes off. And secondly, it gives us energy in the afternoon when we are feeling tired or sluggish. The people in Ethiopia and the Middle East region began to roast and grind coffee berries, create a drink called gawa, which soon became a popular beverage for social gatherings and religious ceremonies. Coffee was introduced to Europe in the 16th century, where it quickly became a popular drink among the upper classes. Coffee was first brought to the Americans by the French and Dutch in the 17th century, and it soon became a major cash crop in Latin America. Coffee was introduced to the Asia in the 18th century, where it became popular in the countries like Indonesia and Vietnam. Coffee became a major commodity in the global economy, with countries like Brazil and Colombia becoming major producers and exporters. Coffee houses became popular gathering places for intellectuals and artists, where they would discuss ideas and share their work. Coffee played a role in various intellectual movements such as the Enlightenment, where coffee houses serve as hubs for philosophical and political discussion. The invention of the espresso machine in the 20th century revolutionized the way coffee was brewed and served, paving the way for the rise of specialty coffee. Specialty coffee refers to the high quality coffee that is sourced, roasted and brewed with care. The movement has gained popularity in recent years, with many people seeking out unique and flavorful coffee experiences. Coffee is one of the most traded commodities in the world, with an estimated 25 million people involved in its production and trade. Coffee cultivation has a negative impact on the environment if not done sustainably, but initiatives like shadow-grown coffee and fair trade practices are helping to mitigate these effects. The coffee industry is constantly evolving with new trends and innovations such as a cold brew, nitro coffee, and specialty brewing methods. Coffee continues to be a staple in many people's daily routines, providing a much needed boost of energy and a moment of relaxation. Today we explored the origins of coffee, its spread across the world and its impact on various cultures and societies, as well as some major milestones in the coffee industry and the current state of the coffee industry. Coffee is more than just a drink. It's a cultural phenomenon that has shaped societies and economies across the world. The next time you enjoy a cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and evolution of this beloved beverage. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, but before you go, make sure to stay tuned for more exciting content. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my future videos.